Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage. First 27 to 33 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, Rochman and her colleagues were the first people to research the problem of marine debris. Rochman और उनके सहयोगी समुद्री कचरे की समस्या पर शोध करने वाले पहले लोग थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Plenty of studies have sounded alarm bells about the state of marine debris. In a recent paper published in the journal Ecology, Rochman and her colleagues set out to determine how many of those perceived risks are real. So they were not the first people. Therefore its answer is false. Next question is, the creatures most in danger from ocean trash are certain seabirds. समुद्र के कचरे से सबसे ज़्यादा खतरे में कुछ समुद्री पक्षी होते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. A study could show that certain seabirds eat plastic bags, and go on to warn that whole bird population are at risk of dying out. So it is not mentioned that seabirds are most or least in danger. Therefore it's a not given statement. Next question is, the studies Rochman has reviewed have already proved that populations of some birds will soon become extinct. Rochman द्वारा समीक्षा किए गए अध्ययनों ने पहले ही यह सिद्ध कर दिया है कि कुछ पक्षियों की आबादी जल्द ही विलुप्त हो जाएगी. Let's see in the paragraph. Certain seabirds eat plastic bags and go on to warn that whole bird populations are at risk of dying out. But the truth was that nobody had yet tested those perceived threats. Rochman says, there wasn't a lot of information, so extinction के बारे में अभी कुछ clear नहीं है. But question says, it is proved. Therefore its answer is false. Next question is, Rochman analyzed papers on the different kinds of danger caused by ocean trash. Rochman ने समुद्र के कचरे से होने वाले विभिन्न प्रकार के खतरों पर लिखे गए शोध पत्रों का विश्लेषण किया. Let's see in the paragraph. Rochman and her colleagues examined more than 100 papers on the impacts of marine debris that were published through 2013. So it's a true statement. Next question is, most of the research analyzed by Rochman and her colleagues was badly designed. Rochman और उनके सहयोगियों द्वारा विश्लेषण किए गए अधिकांश शोध ठीक तरह से डिजाइन नहीं किए गए थे. Let's see in the paragraph. In 83% of cases, the perceived dangers of ocean trash were proven true. In the remaining cases, the working group found the studies had weaknesses in design. So 83% are good, and बाकी बचे हुए badly designed थे. So this is false statement. Next question is, one study examined by Rochman was expecting to find that mussels were harmed by eating plastic. Rochman द्वारा जांचे गए एक अध्ययन में यह उम्मीद की जा रही थी कि प्लास्टिक खाने से मसल्स मतलब सीप को नुकसान होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Strikingly, Rochman says, only one well-designed study failed to find the effect it was looking for. An investigation of mussels ingesting microscopic plastic bits, the plastic moved from the mussels' stomachs to their bloodstreams, scientists found, and stayed there for weeks, but didn't seem to stress out the shellfish. So this is true statement. Next question is, some mussels choose to eat plastic in preference to their natural diet. कुछ मसल्स सीप अपने प्राकृतिक भोजन की बजाय प्लास्टिक खाना पसंद करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. While mussels may be fine eating trash, though, the analysis also gave a clearer picture of the many ways that ocean debris is bothersome. So वो प्लास्टिक खाना पसंद करते हैं या नहीं, ऐसा कुछ डिस्कस नहीं किया है. So it's a not given statement. Next 34 to 39 questions are to complete the notes, which are about findings related to marine debris. First question is, studies of marine debris found the biggest threats were plastic, not metal or wood, bits of debris that was something harmful to animals, कचरे के ऐसे टुकड़े जो जानवरों के लिए हानिकारक थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Most of the dangers also involved large pieces of debris, animals getting entangled in trash. So its answer is large. Next question is, there were little research into something like from synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber जैसी चीजों से होने वाले प्रभावों पर बहुत कम शोध हुआ था. Let's see in the paragraph. But a lot of ocean debris is microplastic or pieces smaller than 5 millimeters. So its answer is microplastic. Next questions are about drawbacks of the studies examined. First question is, most of them focused on individual animals, not entire something. उनमें से अधिकांश शोध केवल अलग-अलग जानवरों पर केंद्रित थे, इस पर नहीं. Let's see in the paragraph. Many studies have looked at how plastic affects an individual animal or that animals' tissues or cells, rather than whole populations. So its answer is populations. Next question is, the something of plastic used in the lab did not always reflect those in the ocean. प्रयोगशाला में इस्तेमाल किए गए प्लास्टिक के प्रकार हमेशा समुद्र में पाए जाने वाले प्लास्टिक को नहीं दर्शाते थे. Let's see in the paragraph. And in the lab, scientists often use higher concentrations of plastic than what's really in the ocean. So its answer is concentrations. Next question is, the impact of a reduction in numbers on the something of that species. संख्या में कमी का उस प्रजाति के किसी पर प्रभाव. Let's see in the paragraph. None of that tells us how many birds or fish or sea turtles could die from plastic pollution, or how deaths in one species could affect that animal's predators, or the rest of the ecosystem. So its answer is predators. Next question is, Rochman says more information is needed on the possible impact of future something. Like involving oil, रोचमैन का कहना है कि भविष्य में होने वाली संभावित घटनाओं, जैसे तेल से जुड़ी घटनाओं, के प्रभाव के बारे में और अधिक जानकारी की आवश्यकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. We need to be asking more ecologically relevant questions, Rochman says. Usually scientists don't know exactly how disasters such as a tanker accidentally spilling its whole cargo of oil and polluting huge areas of the ocean will affect the environment until after they have happened. So its answer is disasters. Next question is, what would be the best title for this passage? Title is about overall passage. So its answer is assessing the threat of marine debris. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.